Hello everyone, this is Fumi. I'm coming again to you with another recipe. Today we're going to be making BBQ chicken. As you can see, I have all my ingredients laid out. We're going to blend all of these ingredients with cooking oil and then marinate our chicken with it for a minimum of 1 hour. And after that, we're going to grill. So I have my chicken, I have my vegetable oil, I have salt. The salt is to taste, onion powder, chicken seasoning powder, dry thyme, and curry. I also have my habanero peppers, I have my ginger, I have my garlic, onion, and bell pepper, red bell pepper. I blended everything together with vegetable oil, and then I poured it over the chicken and mix it together and marinate it for 1 hour. I put it in the refrigerator to marinate. So this is the final look after it has been grilling for 1 hour plus. It was so delicious. You can add to your pepper if you want, but it was so good, guys. Thank you so much for watching again today. Until next time, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you so much. Remain blessed.